today's topic is really serious. Do you tend to fumble when speaking English with someone, and are you keeping yourselves apart because of this? Let's stop this today, now. Let's change. Has this lead to your frustration, lack of confidence? Then this is the ideal video for you. Now I'm going to share with you some amazing channels which you can follow to hone your English skills, improve your vocabs and whatnot. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first one is one of the most favorite channel of mine is Chit Chat. I just love Chetna ma'am. So here you will be able to learn a lot of English words and also replace some common English words like yes. I won't say everything with some good words. And apart from English tutorials and improving English vocabulary, you will also find a variety of other content like studying abroad, scholarship and whatnot, habits of successful people, a lot of content. Do check that channel out. Second is Jhanvi Panwar. I personally look up to Jhanvi Panwar a lot, and she's also known as India's Wonder Girl. She's an inspiration to so many. Okay, so do check her out. I will leave all the links in the description box below. Now third is Learn with Ash and Sam, or Sam and Ash. Check that out in the description box. This channel is there to help you with all your doubts regarding studying abroad, IELTS, all English speaking tutorials and everything. And they also have a free English IELTS course, something like that. Now I will tell you some foreign channels. Foreign channels means those channels which are not Indian. Now exposing to their accents, the way they speak will help you to understand and what they are trying to say without the help of subtitles or captions. Especially when I watch movies, I really sometimes need to switch on subtitles. So no more, let's change. And also in some YouTube videos, it is like a really good video you want to watch, but you can't catch up with whatever they're saying because the caption is unavailable. So first is Learn English with English101.com. Now there is also a website of hers, learnenglish101.com, something like that. I'll link that to in the description. Okay, so if you want to learn English in the easiest, quickest and in a fun way, this is the ideal channel for you. And next channel is Learn with Vanessa. Vanessa posts every English lesson tutorial every Friday, and which is so cool. And she's too ready to help you out with when you are speaking with a native English speaker. She too also has a website called. Then there is English Anyone. This is the channel which you should look up to if you struggle to speak English fluently or lack confidence when speaking with somebody else. So this is also very amazing channel. Check this channel out too. Marina is a Russian and she's originally from St. Petersburg, and she's an entrepreneur and a YouTuber also. Now she's based in California. She's also great in helping you out with this English speaking problem and also honing your English speaking skills. So don't forget to check her out too. Now I want to say that the bonus tip is, which has really helped me a lot, and I'm also in the process of becoming like really fluent, confident when speaking with someone, is that the more you expose yourself to this language, the better you get in this language. This is like bitter truth, whatever you want to call. So you watch English movies, read English newspapers, and most importantly, speak English. You can speak on your own also, that's not weird. Speak in English on your own with your friends, relatives, but on your own I won't recommend much, because when I am speaking on my own there is nobody around me, so I tend to speak really fast and fluently. So speak with a human being, okay, because you want to be in that position where you can speak smartly, fluently with the native English speakers or anyone. So speak with your family members, friends, relatives, listen English music, and let me know that if it has helped you or not. That's it for the video. If I have missed out any really good channel, then please forgive me and leave that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. And for now, goodbye, happy learning.